The Community Arts Practice course provides you with the practical skills to enrich, inform and transform the lives of others through performance.
I applied for the Community Arts Practice course to be able to do all the things I love, like singing, dancing and acting and all of that, to also push it out in the community and give it to people who don't necessarily get it.
It had something different, it also had that something special.
It opens a range of different opportunities and allows me to gain experience in all the different disciplines.
The head teacher also came to me and spoke to me about it, saying that they go out to the community and put on performances and shows to people who may not be able to afford it, and it really just touched my heart, and that's why I chose CAP.
Students learn how to use the arts to explore a range of social topics and engage with the community. We are developing our skills as professionals, learning how to communicate and network with a diverse range of external clients and coordinate events.
I've developed my communication skills, leadership and facilitation. I think the most important one for me is inclusion and making sure that everything that I do is accessible to everyone and everyone can take part.
Some of the skills I've developed on the course is definitely facilitating. I feel more confident now to walk into a workshop space, to be able to deliver workshops and activities.
CAP just really brings out the best in so many people. It built out the best in me. I was surprised how much I developed my confidence in dance and drama. Like, I never thought I'd be able to push myself this hard.
And also I gained confidence, and when I walk into a room I'm able to be myself.
Throughout the course, we train in areas such as theatre for change, dance, physical theatre, acting and singing, project design and facilitation skills. We then apply these skills to projects working directly within our community. Over the 2-year course, we work with a range of clients including primary and secondary pupils, people living with dementia, adults with learning needs, people living with homelessness and students attending pupil referral units.
I love performing, so I think that I would go down that route. I love stage and screen, so I'd like to focus my efforts there.
I would either like to be a freelance facilitator or work within a company and become a facilitator.
This course can open the door to a wide range of opportunities post-Brit. Students have gone on to study at universities and vocational schools such as the University of Chichester, RADA and the Royal Central School of Speech and Drama. Students have also been successful in undertaking apprenticeships at a range of organisations including ITV, Sony, BBC Radio and the Royal Opera House. Whether you are looking for a career in the arts, social or healthcare, media or event management, the Community Arts Practice course equips you with the professional skills to be able to adapt to any environment.
I recommend this course to anyone who would like to stay within the creative arts but also get a taste of all of the different aspects and also putting it into the community for other people.
Anyone who thinks social change is important and would like to make a change within society.
I would recommend this course to everyone. We are very, very, very diverse in every form that you can think of.
Community Arts Practice students strive to create an inclusive environment where everyone's voice is valued and heard. We want to utilise our skills as artists to contribute to positive social change, and if you feel the same, come and join us.